else have that issue to where when they put in earrings, they have to like re-pierce their ears all over again. Oh, it sucks. Also, it sucks that I didn't realize that I had a stain on my shirt. My apologies. Let's not look at that. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kinsey. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we are going to be doing a massive Sephora haul. As most of you may know, Sephora did do a kind of bonus sale in the summer. They normally do like a VIB sale in spring and in the winter time, but we had one during the summertime this year, so that makes me super excited. I got some stuff, so I wanted to go through and show you what I got in the haul today. So if you'd like to see what I did pick up during the summer Sephora VIB sale, then just keep on watching. I do want you guys to know that me showing you this makeup, me doing this haul, is not in any way me trying to brag or boast or be like, look at the stuff I got. Like, that is not who I am. That is not my journey. So I really just wanted to show you guys what I did pick up during the sale because I was super excited about it. I did a poll on Instagram if you guys wanted to see a haul or not, and 100% was yes, we want to see a haul. Let's get started. There were a few things that I got that I just kind of like needed that I was almost out of. Like, I got the Benefit to Gimmi Brow right here. This is what I normally use for my eyebrows, and I use 3.5. I don't know what I want to start with, you guys. Here's this. I'll show you that in a second. Also, I picked up another one of my Toofaced Better Than Sex mascaras. This is my all-time favorite mascara at the moment. This is also something that I went ahead and got another one of because I was running out of, well, not running out, but I wanted a backup. This is the Youthtothepeople Adaptogen Deep Moisture Cream. This stuff is freaking sick. I love it. I didn't know that was in there. Since I found this one, I really fallen in love. So I got another one of these just to have a backup. And I think that is it for my replacement stuff. First thing that I did pick up here is this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is the Stalk'r bronzer. I got it in the shade Shady Biz. These names are so freaking cool. I love these names. But I got it in that shade because of Raw Beauty Christy. Christy kept saying that Shady Biz was like the best, so I was like, let me pick that up. So I did. Here's what it looks like. It is just the next shade deeper. I do really like it. I actually am wearing it today, and I'm really enjoying it so far. Next up, I got a lip gloss from McGrath. Here is what the component looks like. Now, I will say I actually got this exact same lip gloss the last time I placed a big Sephora order, but I took it back because it didn't have the stopper. It was like broken. It didn't have this bit. I just thought, oh, I'll get it during the sale again. I've heard a lot about this, especially from Kathleen. She said it's amazing. This is the McGrath Labs Pale Fire Nectar Gloss. Next up, I got the Itcosmetics Lash Blowout Mascara. Oh my gosh, look! It looks like a freaking, like, hairbrush that you use when you're blowing your hair. That is so freaking adorable. Here is what the applicator looks like. I haven't used any of this yet. I really want to do like a full face first impressions because I think I have a full face in this bag, in this box here, so I am super excited. If you want to see a full face of first impressions, please let me know. Leave it in the comments because I would really love to do that. I don't know if people like to see full face of first impressions or if they want to see like a full review on like one item. Not mascara, but like foundation, eyeshadow, something like that. But let me know, which would you prefer? Next up, I have the Becca Glow Body Stick. I saw this from Kathleen Lights. She was raving about it and I was like, yo, I love the champagne pop highlight. So let's try this out. Wow, this is big. I honestly had no idea. Like the box is big, right? I genuinely don't know what I thought because I know what it looks like. It's so big. Oh yeah, I can see why people like this. I haven't been able to use it on my body yet, but it is so pretty. And it's just like one of those like shimmer body oils, but it's like in a stick kind of thing. So I'm excited to try it. Next up is a couple of foundations. I pretty much did get all of the new foundations that are like really hyped right now. The first one that I did pick up is the Milk Makeup Flex Foundation Stick. I got mine in the shade Light Beige, which now that I'm thinking about it, it's probably
too dark for me.
Here is what this looks like. Now I have swatched this and it's really not that bad of a shade match. I just think it may be a smidgen too bit yellow toned for me, but it says that it's neutral toned, so we'll see what it looks like when I put it on. Next up I got the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Longwear Foundation. I'm so excited to try this, you guys. This one seems very promising. It is the Hydrating Foundation. I got mine in the shade 170. So excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait to try this out. Let me know if you want to see like a review on this or like a something. I don't know. I just want to try it. And then last foundation, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Foundation. This is what it looks like right here. Oh. All right. Oops. It's a really nice glass bottle and it says foundation on the back, and I got mine in the shade 210N. So hopefully this will be my shade. Along with the Anastasia foundation, I went ahead and picked up the powder. I got this in the shade Vanilla. It is the loose setting powder. This thing is freaking massive. This thing is huge. It is a really nice size. You can get a really huge fluffy brush in here if you wanted to do that. I got another one of my Lilly lashes in Doha. These are my favorite Lilly lashes. I freaking love these. I'm wearing them right now. Not these, obviously, but I have another pair and I'm wearing them right now. They're my fave. I got this from NudeStix because, once again, if Kathleen says anything is good, then most likely I will try it. I got this from NudeStix. Right here is the packaging. Really cute packaging on NudeStix, and it is the Nudies Bloom All Over Dewy color. Basically, you can use it on your lips, your eyes, your cheeks. I did already swatch this, and it is a pretty color. I got it in Cherry Blossom Babe. I haven't tried it on my face yet, but as soon as I do, I'll let you know. Next up, I got another face powder, and I've heard
so many things
about this face powder, you guys. This is from HourGlass. This is the Avail Translucent Setting Powder. People say that this is a great setting powder for us with dry skin, which I do definitely have. And it is really fancy looking. Yeah, I think it is quite expensive. I don't remember how much it was. I'm excited. I'm excited to try it out. I cannot wait. Something skincare here. This was like my only skincare item that I got. I don't know why. But this is the Herbivore Bakuchiol. I don't know how the heck you say this word. A Retinal Alternative Smoothing Serum. Here is what it looks like. But this one is purple. Look how cute this is. I love this packaging so much. But I don't particularly know what you're supposed to do with this. Maybe I should just read the instructions. Next thing, I have another thing from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their brand new liquid liner. I've heard a lot about this. I haven't used it myself yet. I'm super excited to. But look at this packaging. When I first saw this, I honestly just thought it was a purple liner because it's in this purple packaging, but it is black. So I'm super excited to give it a shot. Next two things, I have another something from Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Kisser Lip Loving Scrub Stick, and this is basically just a like a scrub, but it's in a lipstick form. Look at that. How cool. I actually have already used this because I used it the second that I got it because I was so excited about it. Stuff like this I get excited about. So I have already used this. I did enjoy it. Next up here we have the Tarte Creaseless Concealer in the shade Light. Now I actually, believe it or not, I used to use this concealer a long time ago when it came in the squeezy tube. I have heard that this one is a lot better for us that have dry skin. So I do want to try this one out again and see what I think. I got another concealer, and this one, oh my gosh, has been so hyped everywhere. This one is the Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. I know I got this a while back and I got a shade too dark. I still think this may be a bit too yellow for me still, but I am super excited to give it a shot because I've heard nothing but good things about this concealer. I got one more thing from Jouer here, and again, I got this before as well, but I got the Too Dark shade. This is the Jouer Sunswept Bronzer Duo palette. They have a light to medium duo, medium to dark duo, and I was trying to be one of those people where I was like,
let's just try the medium to dark. I'm sure it'll be just fine. And
no ma'am, no ma'am, it was so dark. The packaging is gorgeous as always, and then here are what these shades look like. Now these are pretty light. I'm sure they'll be just fine, especially this one over here. Next up, I have two more things from Fenty. Actually, I have three more things from Fenty. Maybe I should just do all of them at one time. To go with the Hydrating Foundation, I got the Hydrating Primer. Here it is. The frosted bottle is so pretty. I love it. I got two of the Stunna lip paints in the shades Uncensored and Uncuffed. This one is the beautiful red shade. I'm like freaking obsessed with this. I love this shade so much. And then I got the shade Uncuffed again. Is what this one looks like. I have used this one before and I really did like it. It is a kind of a nudie rose kind of shade, and I love shades like that. They're like my favorite. Then I got two eyeshadow palettes. We'll go ahead and do this one first. This is the Viseart Warm Edit palette. I've never ever tried anything from Viseart before. I think it's a really cool brand, but the packaging is so cute. Look at it. It looks like a little like director's chair. Look how cute. And then you open it up and there it is. Here are the shades right here. I don't think the shades have names or anything, but I have heard a lot of people love Viseart palettes. Like, I've heard a lot of really good hype around them. They're so little cute. Oh, they do have names. Look at, I didn't know. And here, this is, you guys, the Piece de Resistance. Probably one of my favorite things that I got in the entire haul today. This is the brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills X Jackie Aina palette. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Is this not some of the prettiest packaging that you've ever did see? The outside is absolutely stunning. And then here is what the palette looks like, you guys. It is so stunning. I cannot wait to do like a eye look with this. I cannot wait to do a review on this for you. It's gorgeous, it's stunning, I'm obsessed, and
Oh my god!
And you guys, I think that is everything in the haul today. If you got anything from the Sephora VIB sale, then please let me know what you got in the comments. I would love to talk to you guys about them and kind of like see what you got. I just want to know because, I don't know, I love makeup and I want to know what you guys got. But yes, that is going to be the end of the video today. I hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kinsey. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.